It is Saturday evening. Prasanna is getting ready for a special romantic dinner date.
Prasanna, are you going out tonight?
Yes, Mom. I have a dinner date at 8 p.m.
Ah, nice. Did you choose a good restaurant?
Yes, I booked a table at Olive Garden restaurant.
Good choice. Don't be late and be confident.
Thanks, Mom. I'm leaving now.
Prasanna steps outside and books a taxi.
Good evening, sir. Where to?
To Olive Garden restaurant on MG Road, please.
Sure, sir. You'll reach in about 20 minutes.
Prasanna reaches the restaurant and sees his date, Annika, waiting near the entrance.
Hi, Prasanna. You look really nice today.
Hi, Annika. Thank you. You look beautiful.
Oh, thanks. Shall we go inside?
Yes, let's go.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Prasanna at 8 p.m.
Perfect. Please follow me to your table.
They sit at a cozy corner table with soft lighting.
The place looks beautiful. I like the vibe.
I'm glad you like it. I wanted tonight to be special.
That's very sweet of you.
Good evening. May I get you something to drink?
I'll have a lemon iced tea.
I'll have a strawberry smoothie, please.
Sure, I'll bring that shortly.
While waiting for the drinks, they talk softly.
So, how was your day?
It was busy, but I was excited about tonight.
Me too. I love spending time with you.
I feel the same. You always make me smile.
Haha, stop, you'll make me blush.
The waiter returns with the drinks.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes. We'll start with paneer tikka.
And for mains, I would like pasta alfredo.
I'll have grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Perfect. I'll place the order.
They enjoy the soft music and romantic atmosphere.
This place is so peaceful. Thank you for bringing me here.
Anything for you. I like being with you.
You always say the sweetest things.
Food arrives. They enjoy the delicious meal together.
This food is amazing. Want to try some of mine?
Sure. And you can try mine too.
They share bites, playfully smiling at each other.
I'm having such a lovely time.
Me too. Nights like this feel perfect.
Would you like dessert?
Yes. 1 chocolate brownie with ice cream, please.
My favorite.
After dessert, they ask for the bill.
Excuse me, can we have the bill?
Certainly, sir.
Prasanna pays the bill using his card.
Thank you for the lovely dinner.
I'm happy you enjoyed it.
They walk outside, enjoying the cool night breeze.
Can we take a short walk before going home?
Of course. I'd love that.
They walk together, talking softly, holding hands.
The night was perfect. Thank you for everything.
You made it perfect.
Good night, Prasanna.
Good night, Annika. Take care.
End of the romantic date conversation.